Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something that affects all of us, those sneaky habits that might be sabotaging our success without us even realizing it. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only identify these habits, but also learn how to break free from them. Ready to transform your life? Let's get started. Habit number 1. Procrastination. We've all been there, putting off important tasks until the last minute. But did you know this habit can seriously impact your stress levels and overall productivity? The fix: try the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. For bigger tasks, commit to just 5 minutes. Often you'll find yourself naturally continuing once you've... Habit number 2. Negative self-talk. That little voice in your head can be your worst enemy. Constant self-criticism chips away at your confidence and holds you back from reaching your full potential. The fix: practice positive affirmations daily. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each morning. Reframe negative thoughts into more balanced, realistic ones. Habit number 3, overcommitting. Saying yes to everything might make you feel productive, but it often leads to burnout and half-finished projects. The fix: learn to say no. Prioritize your commitments and focus on quality over quantity. Use a planner to visualize your time and make realistic schedules. Habit number 4, neglecting self-care. In our busy lives, it's easy to put ourselves last, but neglecting self-care can lead to physical and mental exhaustion. The fix: schedule me time like you would any other important appointment. This could be exercise, meditation, or simply relaxing with a good book. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary. Habit number 5, comparison trap. In the age of social media, it's tempting to constantly compare ourselves to others, but this habit can seriously damage our self-esteem and motivation. The fix: limit social media time. Focus on your own progress rather than others. Remember, everyone's journey is different, and what you see online isn't always reality. Now that we've uncovered these habits, it's time for action. Here's your challenge. Choose one habit to focus on this week. In the comments below, let us know which one you're tackling and how you plan to do it. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more life-changing content. Until next time, keep growing and transforming your life, one habit at a time.